The angelic realm is informing you through this message that the universe may have been trying to test you when things seem strange and difficult before your manifestation comes to fruition. Always try to relax your mind, because when you are at peace with yourself, solution and ideas for making your journey easier will come to you more readily. With your mind at ease, always doing the right thing in your life, you can never go wrong. Everything will be shown, offered, and given to you by the divine once you learn to align everything in your life. Learn to pick yourself up and keep pushing, even if you feel like you're losing confidence in yourself. God is always with you, so you must have faith. You're being brought by the universe at the end of the cycle. It wants you to understand and remember everything you have learned, correct and healthy patterns, and be fully aware of your wants and needs. The divine is fully aware that you've been working on yourself quite some time now. You're about to enter a more favorable period in your romantic life. Allow the person to come to you prepared and accept them. Always remember that the person who is meant for you will eventually find their way to you. You don't have to pursue that person and pleadingly demand their attention. Allow the other person to try and feel the same way. Let the other person make an effort to feel the same way about you. Track any warning signs if there are any. Never disregard what the universe is trying to tell you. It's time to let go of your regrettable past memories. God is putting together a plan to replace everything that used to bring you joy and bring it into your entirely new present. Please exercise more patience, as every opportunity will be laid out in front of you. In God's will, it will always occur at the perfect time. If the universe seems mysterious to you, the higher realm wants you to have complete faith in it, because we all arrived on earth knowing nothing. Practice learning the unknown. Allow God to show you the path to understanding life's truth. Never forget that the more difficulties you endure, the easier it will be for you to move forward and lead a comfortable life. The world will one day recognize your name too.